Hi, today we're going to be taking on a box review of The Legend of Zelda Mystery Bots by Culturefly. Culturefly is kind of like a in-between KO, not off, bootleg company of the 1-Up bots, which, what's up with that? We don't hear anything about 1-Up bots anymore, and the Loot Crate bots. So it's kind of like a not an official correlation between those two. I mean, the items that you're getting here is more like going to be better quality items, like what you get or used to get in the 1-Up bots. But the price for the stuff, for the actual bots, is what you're about be paying for the Loot Crate bots. Okay, it's $29.99, $30 Walmart. That's where you put it up at Walmart if you want these. Now they used to have these during Christmas time. But now they just have a shelf full of these. So if you're like, oh man, only during Christmas, I missed my chance. Now you go into Walmart, you head down by the electronics where they have all the video games, you're going to see it. They're going to have these there on the shelf. There's 4 different ones to pick up. There's the Legend of Zelda one. There's the Super Mario one. There's the NES, Super Nintendo Entertainment System one. And then there is the Call of Duty World War II one. So there's 4 different ones that Walmart carries of these Culturefly boxes. So what do we get in this one? A collectible coin, Triforce plush, journal, drinking glass, vinyl decal, coin bait, and exclusive mystery vinyl collectible inside. I love how they kind of went with the old school N64, probably Ocarina of Time, I would say. Or maybe it was the other one. I know this is from the N64 era system generation. That Master Sword and the Shield. Definitely looks like, N64, just, HD remastered. Because I remember that image and how the quality is. Nothing on the bad, just the official Nintendo licensed product seal or approval, built by Culturefly. So yeah, let's open it up and take a look at the stuff inside. And on the side it also says Culturefly. I mean, I just love the artwork on the front of the box. That's just, wow. Ooh, let's see what we're going to start with first. So many choices. Aha, let's go with the collectible coin. Right here. Let's see if I can actually get this coin out of the little package. Because I know sometimes they do get stuck in there. Oh wow, on the package you actually get to see the little Legend of Zelda board with the Triforce and stuff. And they even have like little border down here, which is pretty cool. Awesome. And on the back it says The Legend of Zelda, Culturefly, Nintendo, all that good stuff, collectible. So here's what the Legend of Zelda coin looks like. It says, The Legend of Zelda has a 1, and all this around the side of the coin that's going around the whole side of the coin, it's rubles! The currency in the Legend of Zelda, their money. That's freaking awesome! I love that! And wow, look at the bat. The bat even has rubles go around the bat. And it has the little Hyrule bird. Eagle. Does anyone actually know in the Legend of Zelda the symbol what it actually is? Is that a bird or is that an eagle? I know above its head is obviously the Triforce symbol. Which if you watch, the original Legend of Zelda cartoon, there's a Triforce of Wisdom, Triforce of Power, and I forgot what the other Triforce is, but it's 3 individual Triforce pieces that form, the big Triforce. But does anyone actually know what this little thing with the wings is? Is that a bird? Just, the Hyrule bird? Or is that an actual eagle, a Hyrule eagle? I don't know. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments what that actually is. Because I say it's an Eagle. Just, without the beat and stuff. Next up, let's go with this little fella right here. The Triforce Plush. So plushy! Like I said, it's Nintendo, Cartridge Fly 2017. And you can see it better right here. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, see right there? I know that is the Triforce. But this. What is all this? Is that an eagle? Or a bird? Because to me it kind of looks like an eagle or a bird. Or somewhat a high-wheeling bird or high-wheel eagle holding a Triforce. Like I said, if anyone knows what this actually is, a bird or an eagle in high wool, just like how the chickens are called the cuckoos or quackacoos, let me know. What else should we start with? Yeah, you know what? Let's go with this. It says Zelda on there. Hinge with some faux leather and some rivets in there. Nice little slot on the top. It has the Triforce, not Tri-First, Triforce. On the front there, here's a little latch. Let's open it up. Da 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 da. Okay, it doesn't actually play the music, but you can actually open it up to access stuff in there. So this is their coin bank. Yep, it's the coin bank, but you could also use it as a jewelry box, because instead of having just like a little quart on the bottom, you could actually open it up, put your jewelry in there, your rings, your necklaces, whatever. So yeah, coin bank for the intended purpose, or since like I said there is no actual little quart, well they don't use coin anymore, but you know what I mean, the plastic quart plugs on the bottom, you can, like I said, jewelry box. Let's see what else we have. Here is the journal. So again, it has that Hyrule ammo on there. And here you see the lyre, the little mini harp that Zelda plays. Sometimes Sheik would play, which is actually Zelda. And you see the sweep